Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Messenger account without a Facebook profile. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Messenger. Okay, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead and create a new account from here. Create new, and just basically follow these simple prompts. Create new account, add in your first name, and add in your last name, and then again, just basically follow it. Okay. Now, once you have your account, automatically there will be a Facebook profile. So what you can do to your Facebook profile is deactivate it. Okay. So if you deactivate your Facebook profile, your Messenger will still be available. All right. I hope that makes sense. So go ahead and open up the Facebook app. And once you have it opened, go ahead over to your profile right here at the very top. And then just tap on the three horizontal lines. Go ahead over to settings and privacy. Now go ahead and find settings. In here, tap on Meta Account Center. Close this pop-up. Tap on Manage Accounts. Manage. Deactivate or deletion. And then just deactivate your account. Okay? As it says here, everything will be removed, but you'll be able to continue using Messenger. So go ahead and select this option, hit on continue. And do take note that if you have pages, okay, if you want to set up some pages, it will be deactivated as well. So go ahead and hit on continue, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. That's just how easy it is to create a Messenger account without a Facebook profile. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.